Instrument assembly now. First, put the brackets on both sides of the instrument. Install it. The left and right brackets are different. Like this bracket with all round holes. Installed on the right side of the instrument. With this flat bracket. Installed on the left side of the machine. The cold hammer working handle was originally on the machine. Just put it on the stand. Introduction to the function of the work handle and its operation. Spray gun. Functions for oxygenation and hydration. When operating, this transparent cover is to be taken off. Then it is easier to assemble. We got this reel. You can take one of these two, then screw it here. Tighten it first. Then this bottle is for this gun. Inside the bottle we need loaded with solution to be injected, such as moisturizing products or other. As long as it's not thick, put the bottle in. Set of gun. Just screw it on. Behind the gun, the size of the water output can be adjusted. After pulling the trigger here, just spray the mist. This is a spatula. This should be removed before operation. Then when we operate, this is how you shovel the skin on your hands. In the case of no operation, the cover is put back on to avoid scratching the head. Let's look here again. This is a negative pressure pen. It has some small accessories. I'll take it out for everyone to see. Negative pressure pen, it has some small packages of accessories. Frosted and plastic. The overall hard tape. If you want to put on, just put it on. This is what sucks our skin. If you want to replace other tapes, just pull it out. Then replace the soft tape. Silicone tapes. For customers with sensitive skin, because this silicone tape, clinical sensation. Very comfortable. Sealing ring. We can see the big seal is installed here. The small sealing ring is installed in the working handle here. The sealing ring has a certain function of sealing the gas, so when we operate, or when replacing the head, check to see if the seal ring is there. If it's not there, it won't be able to generate this suction. Here are two fixture nails, importable for faces, and leave these effects and wrinkle removal. Operation method. We will explain to the client in the clinical steps. Ocular ultrasound introducing work handle. Then this one belongs to the radio frequency import work handle. Check ultrasound introduce work handle. Let's look at the instruments. Next, install the work handle. Microelectric work handle installation. Put the work handle on the stand. Then get the aviation plug. Aviation plugs can be found. Consists of two holes. There is a foolproof slot around. Confirm this information. Let's look at the side of the instrument. The interface here is two cars. There is a dot below. The foolproof slot should be aligned with this point and then inserted in a straight line. Another working handle is also. Next, install the working handle below. Knife installation. Put the work handle on the stand. In the same way as we just taught. Find the corresponding hole and plug it in. Next, gun installation. Put the gun here. After the clinical, with a freeze hammer, freeze the skin. Has the effect of calming the skin and shrinking pores. Assembled here. Let's assemble the other side. Let's take a look. There are labels on it. Before boot, need to remove the silicone plug, so let's take it off now. The valve that adjusts the suction of the negative pressure pan. The suction power is adjusted by the valve. Adjust the air valve by turning. Size of suction. Here the knob is to adjust. Negative pressure pan water volume is also adjusted by rotating. The negative pressure pan is installed in this position. Distinguish by label. Into in, out to out. Just plug it in straight. The rest of the work handle. The installation method is the same as the fission knife. Connect the power cord and press the front power button. Click here to enter. Swipe to select work handle. Select the corresponding work handle through the interface picture and text prompts. Operate the work handle. Click here to enter. Here is the start button. Here is the stop button. Then the following is the intensity adjustment. Click here to switch gears. We choose R degrees. It's clinical time. How long do you need clinical? So choose up to 30分钟 use. Touch. Feel whether this ice head is cooling. Yes, it's normal. Click here to stop. Click back. Slide. Ultrasound of the eye. Before the test, prepare some pure water. Drop on the probe to test for vibration. Adjust the intensity first in the interface. We test with the highest energy. It's clinical time. Here is the pattern. Each mode works and pauses at different speeds. Customers can operate. To feel the difference of each mode, test with mode A. Click to start. Drop a little pure water on the probe. Facial ultrasound. The same method is used to test with pure water. The ultrasonic working handle is made of pure water. Lifting head. Set the gear and time. The energy recommendation starts from the lowest. Then click to start. The work handle will work. Select negative pressure pan and click to enter. Above is the time setting. Below is choose bottle, such as SE, SR, S3, S4 for bottles, different solutions. Select which bottle of solution to use through the interface. Click to select the bottle. Click to start. Fingers block the tape. Fill the section. By rotating the set water valve to allow, the solution is applied to the working handle. By rotating, control the amount of water on the working handle. Cover the mouth with your fingers for 8分钟 use. The larger the water output, the faster the water filling speed. You can see the water from the suction nozzle. There is no need to adjust too much water output in clinical practice. It's a waste of product. Facial knife. Intensity settings, recommended from low to high. Time setting. Mode settings. The spray gun can start working when the time is set. Clinical next. Clean the cheeks. Import the product after cleaning. After import, then use this freezer to hang in and finish the work. Operate the negative pressure pan to clean the cheeks. Before operation, SE the S need to be filled with liquid, plus the desired solution such as cleaning or rehydration solution. It can be wrinkled. The first some bottles are now filled. The sixth bottle is recommended to be filled with purified water. Purpose of packing purified water. It is to clean the work handle with pure water in the S step to the end. You can use to choose S, the sixth bottle. The product remains in the pipeline and needs to be cleaned with pure water. Avoid clogging of pipes after product buildup. Product after use. Back to the waste bottle. When the waste water is above this level, just take it out. Take out the waste bottle operation. Turn off the instrument first. Push the button down, then pull the bottle out. After taking it out, unscrew the cap and pour it out. Be careful when putting it back. The buckle of the bottle must be stuck inside. Something like this is wrong. The buckle must be stuck inside. Like this is correct. Facial nerve clinical cheek manipulation is performed with a lifting technique. Lift up from the lower jaw. Operation: use the C side of the work handle and move it back and forth on the nose. You can also use C to face the hub lift. Next, operate the impart work handle, cheek ultrasound. There is also a radio frequency working handle, as well as ultrasound of the eye. The above 3 working handles need to be carried out with gel. Finally, dry off the gel and use spray paint for hydration. The handle of the residual product should be cleaned in time.